There's a store near you that has four of the most outrageous values in terms of garden, key garden purchases that you'll ever see, including the absolute best potting soil that you'll ever find at the absolute lowest price. I can guarantee that. I've been gardening for a number of years, and this is tremendous quality potting soil at the absolute lowest cost. So it's Miracle Grow Organic Choice, raised bed and in-ground soil. This is a 50 quarts bag, so it's a nice big bag, and this is top-notch soil. You'll be very, very pleased with it. Believe it or not, this is only $8 a bag. So you'd be paying $25 a bag, $30 a bag, $35 a bag for equivalent quality. This is the best deal you'll ever see. However, it's only available on a seasonal basis. I will tell you where to get it. If you stick around, I'll tell you where to get this, as well as three other wonderful deals. Stay tuned. In addition to the potting soil, they have a really good value on worm compost or worm cast. It's also known as. This is a 12-pound bag, and it is $13 a bag. Again, a very, very good quality as well as a low price. The next bargain you have available here at the store is some organic granular fertilizer. It's a 222, which makes it a good general purpose organic fertilizer. This is a 25-pound bag, again, organic. And this one is for $20 for the 25-gallon bag. Again, a very good deal and very high quality product. The granular fertilizer and the worm casting that I show you are all you need to, along with ideally with your own homemade compost, is all you need to feed your plants, and they will be so incredibly healthy, you'll be thrilled. In terms of some support for trellises, for peas, for beans, for cucumbers, etc., really highly recommend this decorative trellis. This one is only $20, and you will be hard pressed to find a trellis of this size and quality anywhere near this price elsewhere. It'll be at least double in price normally. So last item that I wanted to highlight today, really good quality, great price. And the place you can get these one-of-a-kind bargains is Costco, at your local Costco. So go look for those, especially the potting soil, because it's the best deal you'll ever see in your entire life on potting soil. I can guarantee it. That's Tomato Tim from Organic Oasis signing off for today.